and I think it's time for a recipe. I have to say this. I heard for some hunters that chamois is not a good meat. I felt a little bit bad about that. But we're guys from north of Italy. Chamois is so important, big part of the culture, big part of the hunting tradition. So let Masorin go through this recipe. Guys, we have tried it. It's so good. Kids love it. So I think it's time to go through it and then enjoy it. Every meat could be a bad meat. It depends how it's prepared, it's processed. There are so many factors, but this meat was amazing.